Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
FastGeo efficient geometric range queries on encrypted spatial data. Abstract. This project is for spatial data which have wide application, example location and based services, and geometric range queries are one of the fundamental search functions over spatial data. We do the encryption with a geometric range encryption. We transform geometric range queries and data points to a different form, denoted as equality vector form, such that performing equality checking and evaluating inner products together can correctly and efficiently answer the arbitrary geometric range. We formalize the concept of geometrically searchable encryption and propose an efficient scheme named FastGeo to protect the privacy of clients' spatial data set stored and queried at a public server. With FastGeo, which is a novel two-level search for encrypted spatial data, an honest but curious server can efficiently perform geometric range queries and correctly return data points that are inside a geometric range to a client without learning sensitive data points or this private query. This is a flow for this project. First one is registration. Registration is user registration. In that, user details will be stored. After registration, it will go to the login page. If it is new user, it will move to the registration and then login. Only authorized user will be allowed. Then file choose. File choose is file selection, that is which file the user want to store into cloud. When the browser button is clicked, it will open the file selection dialog box and then we can choose our file. Then file encryption, it is encrypting of selected file. Our whole project is based on this encryption because it is geometric range encryption. For that we use a SHW algorithm, that is Shenshai water algorithm. That process is for file security. Then query process. Query process is SQL querying of encrypted data. In that we do SQL querying with encrypted data symbols. The symbols are replaced by another text. This process is for storing a file in a cloud publicly. There is no need for security because the encrypted file is queried by another text, then upload a cloud. After query process, the file will be stored into cloud. For the file uploading, we use CloudMe tool to store our file. For that, we need not to open the cloud tool. When the button is clicked, it will be stored into cloud. Then decryption. Decryption is when we download our file, it will be decrypted. While decrypting, it replaces the encrypted symbols and decrypt it. After decryption process, the file will be downloaded. Now I'm going to run this. This is a home page for this project. FastGeo efficient geometric range queries on encrypted spatial data. This is a title for this project. Click on this image, it will go to the user login form. For the user login, we need user ID and password. Click submit. Authentication failed, only authorized user can access this. Click OK. It will go to the registration form. Give any sample details. Username and then email ID and then password. Click submit. You can get your ID. Click OK. It will go to the user login page. Give your ID here. And then password. Click submit. Login successful. This is a file choose, that is which file you want to store into cloud. Click on browse, select your file. You can view your file content, click view content. This is your file content. Then encrypt, your file will be encrypted. Here total execution time will be calculated for the encryption. Click OK, then store, then next. Click on query process. This is a query processed data. Then upload, your file will be uploaded. Then query process, it will retrieve your data here. Then download. This is your CloudMe page. Give your CloudMe ID and then give your password. Then sign in. This is your CloudMe folder. Double click on it. This is your encrypted data which you uploaded. Click download. Your file will be downloaded. Then decrypt. You can view your decrypted file. Click OK. Then view efficiency. It is a graphical representation of existing versus proposed system. Thank you.